Hey everyone, welcome back to my Natural Home Remedy YouTube channel. I'm excited to share with you my proven home remedies to treat nail fungus fast. We all know how embarrassing nail fungus can be with its yellow streaks or white spots, thickened nails, crumbling edges, not to mention how contagious it is. The good news is you don't need harsh prescription medications to get rid of toenail or fingernail fungus. Some simple ingredients from your kitchen can help kill the fungus caused by microorganisms like dermatophytes that get under the nails and attack the nail bed and plate. In this video, I will share recipes to make 2 effective homemade nail fungus treatments using simple ingredients like vinegar, Vicks VapoRub, tea tree oil, coconut oil, and more. These treatments can help get rid of nail fungus in just a few weeks when applied properly and consistently to the affected nails. The acidic and antifungal properties will combat even severe fungal infections on the toes and fingers. I will also discuss exactly how to use these homemade mixes, how often to apply them, and what results you can expect to see over time. Applying them is quite easy. You just brush on the mixture on and around the infected nail about 2 times a day. Baking soda: create a paste by mixing baking soda with water and apply it to the infected nails using a cotton ball. Let it sit for at least 10 minutes before rinsing. The alkaline nature of baking soda creates an unfavorable environment for fungus. Hydrogen peroxide: this common disinfectant can kill fungus when applied directly to nails. Dip a cotton swab in 3% solution hydrogen peroxide and dab infected nails every night. The bubbling you see is it killing the fungus. Vicks VapoRub: the thymol in Vicks has antifungal abilities. Apply a layer on infected nails before bedtime and cover with socks overnight. Do this daily. The warming sensation helps penetrate the nail. Snakeroot extract, also called black walnut extract, this contains juglone and tannins that fight fungi. Dab it on nails 2 to 3 times a day with a cotton pad. You can find it online or at health stores. Garlic: make a garlic paste with some cloves and apply to toenails using a bandage overnight. Garlic has a compound called iodine which stops fungus growth. Repeat nightly. There are also some lifestyle changes that can prevent nail fungus from occurring or recurring. These include wearing clean socks and shoes, not walking barefoot in public areas, keeping nails short and dry, avoiding nail salons with unclean tools. So in summary, there are lots of homemade options beyond vinegar that can help treat even the worst case of nail fungus. I hope these extra remedies give you more options to get rid of fungal infections for good.